Imagine offering custom engraving, extra features, or even multiple product configurations. In this video, we'll be having a deep dive into the YITH WooCommerce Product Add-Ons plugin. Let's get straight into it. Just so we're on the right page, this particular video will be based on a premium version. There is a free version as well. So I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go ahead and compare the differences between the free and the pro version, right? So as you can see, there's quite a lot of limitation with regards to the free version. So what I'll be covering throughout this video, you may need to consider purchasing the pro version. Whilst configuring this product page, this will give us a better idea of the key features with this particular plugin. So let's head over to our dashboard. Right, we'll navigate down to YITH and then we'll choose this product add-ons option here. Right, to add your product options, that's done on a global level, meaning that we can't navigate to the product page and add these add-ons here, right? It's all done this central global location. So we just go ahead and click add block. Right, we give our block a name and then we can set the priority and so on. Then we get to choose which product we want this to apply to. By default, it's set to all products. So we just go ahead and select specific product here and we can choose our photo product. All right, so now we'll add new option and then we'll say input text. All right, save. And then we'll go ahead and add a file upload field. So let's quickly review the different elements that we've got within this particular. So we can add a heading, a separator, checkbox, radio button, input field, text area, color swatch, number field, label or image, a product, a date, file upload, and a color picker. So we've got 15 different fields. Again, let's select our file upload field. All right, save. And now let's view this particular product. And now we've got our personalized message area and our file upload field. Right, so that was just a quick demonstration. Two of my favorite features with this plugin is, let's say for example, on this file upload section here, we wanted to charge users if they choose to upload a design, right? So on the price, we can either increase or decrease the price. So if we set it to increase, we can set a fixed amount or percentage amount. So we can say it's a fixed amount of $50, for example. And we can even allow multiple file upload and then just hit save. We need to specify the max. Let's add another option. So we'll just add a simple yes or no option. So again, this won't make sense. We'll just say, all right, and then we'll click on this file upload field again. We'll go conditional logic. And this time we'll say we'll only display this upload field if the user selects yes for express shipping. Of course, this makes 0 sense, but it's just to give you an idea of how it works. Now let's refresh this page. Okay, so when we select yes, we should see this upload field here, which is displaying just fine. Right, we can add our personalized message and then we can go ahead and add this to our basket. And within our basket, we can see our options here. Okay, so overall for the features of this particular plugin, I would give it a 4 out of 5. That's how much I'd rate it. In terms of ease of use, you've just seen how simply it was for us to go ahead and create this option. So in terms of ease of use, I'd actually give it a 5 out of 5. I think that was pretty straightforward and intuitive. In terms of customization and flexibility, I'd say it's pretty customizable. What I'd probably like to see as well is the option to create these add-ons on the product page, but I can appreciate it being on this global level. From an admin point of view, I'm quickly able to see all the different products options I've got on each individual product instead of having to constantly go in and visiting the product page separately. So one thing I'd probably like to see more is the option to create complex pricing options, right? In the past, I've had users approach us wanting to charge by weight or by volume or some other metric. This plugin isn't the one for that. In terms of customer support, they've got an extensive documentation and you can go ahead and submit a ticket if you run into any issues. Okay, so this brings us to the pros and cons. So I'd start with the pros, which is we get 15 different field types, right? Which is really good. We get image upload and we can choose a maximum number of files that a customer can upload. In a free version, there's more limitation as to what you can do. The conditional logic is really great. So you can create a more personalized shopping experience for your customers. And in terms of pricing, it's reasonably priced as well. So here in pounds, it's currently, let's just say $120. And let's quickly convert that into USD. Let's say it's $160 at the time of recording this. The price could change. Okay, so final verdict. Should you buy, shortlist, or consider this particular plugin? For the premium version, if you don't need to create complex pricing formulas, then I'll just go straight ahead and buy this particular plugin. It's reasonably priced. It is one of the more expensive options out there, but in terms of features, I think it's worth the price. All right, and then finally, what about alternative? What created this particular article here, which we regularly update? And at the time of recording this, there's 9 different options, free and paid, but the standout alternatives would be, so it's our very own product add-ons plugin. But this WooCommerce Product Add-Ons Ultimate plugin is another one to consider. It's really good. They've got loads of different add-ons. So if you want to create a live customizer for your customers, then you might want to go ahead and check this out. Keep in mind though that you do pay a base price for the plugin, and then you pay extra for more advanced features, right? Which comes packaged as a additional add-on. So that's just something to keep in mind, but it's still a solid plugin.